Hello dear students, how are you? I hope that you all are doing well. So friends, today we are going to learn alphabet sounds and words. Let's start. A, ant, b, at, zebra. B, banana, table, cub. K, cake, duck, logic. D, dog, radio, road. E, elephant, duet, lake. Frog, sofa, leaf. G, grapes, tiger, egg. Helmet, chair, couch. Igloo, bin, Pepsi. J, jug, injection, hudge. Kitten, bakery, rock. Lemon, melon, fall. Mango, lamb, palm. Nut, ant, man. O, orange, dog, video. P, Pakistan, apricot, lamp. Q, quilt, square, Iraq. Rock, bird, car. Sun, basket, grass. Tiger, star, pot. Urn, mug, flute. Van, river, cave. Wave, sword, crow. X-ray, X, mix. Jock, xylophone, sky. Zebra, crazy, quiz. So friends, I hope you got the sound of the alphabets. Keep learning with friends and teacher. See you soon.